Mithai, it seems your Lord truly loves your lot. Only the lucky ones get such a husband.
What appears to be true is not always true, Aunt Bakul. Actually, grandfather's grandson has a huge heart, just like his grandfather. That's why he ran to rescue Mithai. But that does not mean that he has accepted Mithai as his wife, right? Actually, grandfather's grandson doesn't believe in the institution of marriage. It's not possible.
See what destiny has in store for you. But your husband really seemed great. Here, have it.
No. I won't eat anything cooked over a fire. You can have my share too. Mithai is not that hungry.
Are you sure, Mithai?
I would rather survive on water. You have it. Please have it, Aunt. Please eat properly. If I can somehow get out of here, I will definitely arrange a proper meal for you one day.
Sid? What happened? Didn't you sleep the whole night?
I just couldn't sleep.
At least have some tea.
Have you paced like this all night?
I'm unable to grasp the matter, Shri. I'm not able to see a solution, a way out. I discussed this a lot with Rudy as well. He's constantly hunting for a lawyer. I thought of asking Aunt Revati for help once, but I just couldn't ask her for help.
Siddharth, empty talk is of no use. Today is a Monday. The police will produce Mithai in court today. And if we can't provide a good lawyer, then Mithai will have to be taken to prison.
You're right, brother. I too looked a lot, but I couldn't contact someone properly. And no matter whom I connect with, it would be at least 1 week till the hearing.
What will you do now, Siddharth? Will you ask Aunt Revati once?
I obviously can ask Aunt Revati, Shri, but Aunt Revati won't fight the case herself. It's a criminal case and she's not a criminal lawyer. And after that, Aunt Revati just can't tolerate Mithai. I don't know if I've made the right decision or not, but I just couldn't ask Aunt Revati.
I think you made the right decision. Neither Torsha nor Auntie Revati would have helped Mithai properly. See, Sid, I don't get all these complications, but I clearly understand that Torsha will never want Mithai's well-being. Aunt Revati is Torsha's mom. Hey, isn't Rudra able to do anything? If we can't bring Mithai home today, then Grandpa and Grandma will be devastated.
Have you seen Grandma's condition?
I really could have never imagined that such a thing could happen in our family too. Rudy. Hello? Yeah, Rudy. You got someone? Okay. You wait, I'll be there, yeah? Okay. Rajiv, Ratul, You guys leave for the court soon. I'll go to Rudy's office.
Hmm.
Okay? I forgot to unpack.
Sid, I will do this. You have tea and get ready.
We should inform grandpa and grandma then.
Siddharth, don't worry, we will reach the court at the right time. But please drive your vehicle carefully, okay?
Yes, Rajiv. I'll be careful. I just want to get mithai to grandpa once. I know grandpa is hurting a lot from within. He's feeling quite guilty about it. And on top of that, even the base kitchen got burnt. This has left me speechless. Rudy, did you find a lawyer? I mean, Mithai will get the bail, right? You're not getting it, Rudy. I couldn't sleep the whole night, man. Everything seems so suffocating. I kept thinking that Mithai was suffering due to me. Rudy, I've never had such a traumatic experience in my life.
Sid, calm down. You've been behaving crazy since last night. What's happening, Sid? You look at Mithai and see how steady she is. You sit and have some water. Mr. Biswas is on his way.
What? Mr. Bishwas? But he's a divorce lawyer, Rudy. How can he handle this case?
Yes. With all these years of practice, I was a criminal lawyer earlier, boy. Although then, odd pigeons like you did not used to visit court so frequently for divorce. What did you do? You trapped Mithai in a criminal case?
Sir, do you really think I can trap Mithai in a criminal case?
Probably. I heard you never submitted the divorce acknowledgement papers in court. That means you're not formally divorced. No, I don't have any objection to that. Definitely, you must have been advised by someone else. How else can such an allegation be leveled against Mithai if you stood beside her? You tell me if I'm wrong. Please calm down, Mr. Biswas. Please calm down, please. And please don't accuse Sid like this, please. Actually, he's quite agitated himself about Mithai's bail. He also wants it earlier. You please have a seat, please. Please. I was wondering, Mr. Biswas, bail will be granted, right? I heard that the higher-ups had been requested not to grant bail to Mithai. But you don't worry. This Pratul Biswas won't let any harm come to Mithai. All the proof is just circumstantial evidence, just based on circumstances. But Rudra, can I tell you the truth? After studying this case, I feel that someone has intentionally framed Mithai. Tell me how else can an unknown number send videos and pictures to the police and that number is still not tracked, Rudra? Didn't you notice it? And then, what's his name? Yes, Aditya Agrawal. The offer which Aditya Agrawal made to Mithai said that while they were both arguing about something else, Mithai had kept the file on the bench in the front. How could the file reach the police, Rudra? That's why I was so harsh with your friend, this odd pigeon.
Sir, listen to me. Sir, no matter what names you call me, I won't react. Just please get Mithai out of the custody, please. And the conspiracy and everything, I will find it out by myself. Just tell me, will I be able to bring her home?
From the first day itself, I just can't put my finger on you. Do you really love that girl? If you do love her, why did you divorce her then? And when you divorce her, why did you not submit the acknowledgement papers in the court? That means you don't want a divorce. And if you really don't want a divorce, then why did you leave her and go so far away? And when you did, why did you return then? And then after returning, he behaves as if he can't survive without Mithai. Tell me, Rudra. Absolutely correct. Mr. Biswas, the last thing you said, that's right. Actually, Sid won't survive without Mithai. That's the truth. And you were saying about trying to understand him, right? He doesn't even know who he is. How will you understand him? Understood. Okay. You tell your friend, Mr. Odd Pigeon, that Mithai's uncle Biswas will get Mithai bail and get her out today. But there's one condition. I have one condition. I assume you will
What?
come to the court,
Yes.
but Mr. Odd Pigeon shouldn't enter the court. There's a reason for
Biswas-
that. During the divorce proceedings, I saw how he behaved over there, and so I just can't trust him. He can just blurt out anything in the court. Anyway, I am leaving. You can come, Rudra. Sid, you please don't feel upset. You're well aware of Mr. Biswas's mannerisms, huh? And I felt that we could not find a better lawyer for Mithai than Mr. Biswas. He won't treat the case as a case, but as a personal fight.
Rudy, you know what? Mithai has a strange power. People fall in love with her so easily. Who could have trapped her like this? I don't get it. Aditya Agarwal. I mean, can Agarwals really harm Mithai like this?
Why not, Sid? Have you forgotten, Sid, that he was about to ruin Nipa? And please don't lose your calm now and try to threaten Adi somehow. We need to proceed in a step-by-step approach, Sid. Come. Come on, Sid. Mr. Biswas might not allow you inside the court, but we can at least go outside. You want to meet Mithai, right? Come. Come.
Hey, Uncle Amaresh, Siddharth is nowhere to be seen. You better give him a call.
Yes.
Hey Siddharth, where are you exactly?
Yes, uncle, we have reached here. Oh, yeah, there you are, coming.
Siddharth, what happened? Will Mithai be granted bail today?
Rudy has appointed Mr. Bishwas to fight this case. Apparently, he used to practice criminal law earlier.
I see. So Rudra, we couldn't find any criminal lawyer.
Uncle, actually, I thought Mithai wouldn't get a better lawyer than Mr. Biswas. I truly believe that. And anyway, Mr. Biswas loves Mithai a lot. He'll give his level best. He's an excellent lawyer. There's nothing to worry about.
You're absolutely right, Rudra. Uncle Amaresh, if there's one thing I understood with this small brain of mine, it's that any work will only be successful if it's done with all focus. I mean, there should be an inner calling to complete the job, no matter whether it's a case or a marriage.
Brother Rudy, they didn't bring Mithai yet. Where is she? It's high time.
She'll be here quite soon. There's nothing to worry about.
Are you okay, Sid? Don't worry, everything will be fine. Mithai will not be hurt.
I hope so, Shri. I'm not that religious, actually. Please pray for Mithai to be granted the bail soon. Mr. Bishwas was saying that there's a huge pressure from higher ups for Mithai to be not granted bail. I don't understand. Who is creating this pressure? Aditya Agarwal? if I can get hold of Aditya Agarwal, I will just.
No, Sid. Please calm down, relax. Else we will be in a new problem. Brother Rudy, please try and explain him.
That's what I explained to him the entire way. While the case is under trial, any section can result in the opposite impact.
Siddharth, please. You have to keep yourself calm in this situation. You can very well understand all of us are going through a crisis right now. We can't lose our calm like this.
There they are. But does it mean there's Mithai? Mithai?
1 minute. 1 minute. Officer,
Sir,
Sir.
please give us few minutes.
sure. Meenakshi, please be alert.
Mithai? Mithai, what happened to you? Remember, you are strong. Keep in mind, the Lord will definitely help us.
Absolutely. See, Mithai, we all are here to support you. We all stand with you. Don't feel scared at all.
Uncle, did the sweets reach the shops?
Yes, Mithai, the sweets have reached their destination. We have pitched a tent and made temporary arrangements. And we are looking for a new place. Roshamoya and his team hasn't given up. They have declared that sister-in-law can never do anything like this. They have given a statement to the police.
But the evidence states otherwise, right, Uncle? It's not so easy to put Mithai in harm's way. Mithai knows that. She has her Lord. Please don't feel bad for me, okay? Mithai is not facing any problems. The police woman is so nice. Hey, Sister Shri. What happened? Why are you crying? Brother Ratul? I'm telling you, Mithai can't tolerate so many tears. Mithai always wants to see everyone happy. Brother Ratul, please look at this. Please take care of Sister Shri.
Shri, please control yourself. Please. That's why I asked you not to come here. You won't be able to tolerate it. Please come with me. Come, please. Come.
Uncle Amaresh,
Yes?
come, let's sit inside the courtroom.
Yes.
Siddharth, will you join us?
No, Rajiv. Siddharth doesn't need to go inside. Actually, it's becoming quite difficult for Sid to go through these things. Come, let's go. Let's go, uncle.
Let's go.
And Mithai, there's nothing to be scared of. Everything will be okay today.
Brother Rajiv. What has grandfather's grandson done to himself?
What can I say? As Mithai isn't here, Mr. Bitter Gourd has wilted too.
Exactly. After all, grandfather's grandson isn't able to call mithai foolish. That's why he's not able to digest it. Brother Rajiv, you tell grandfather's grandson to call mithai foolish once. He will get back all his haughtiness then.
Rajiv, please ask her to keep quiet. Ask her to concentrate. She's in this mess due to her own silliness. And she's giving everyone a speech now. Nonsense. She doesn't even know the level of yelling waiting for her at home.
There it is. Now you are okay, right? Are you feeling a bit lighter now? I knew. Brother Rajiv. Grandfather's grandson just can't digest his food without yelling at mithai.
What are you saying? Has your Mr. Bittergourd eaten anything since last night for him to digest it?
Will you look at that? Is this not foolish?
Rajiv, you too, is it? You just can't give Tufan Male a chance to rant. Mithai, just go. Not a word more about this. She's talking about my diet as if she'd ever pulao and mutton. Absolute nonsense.
Oh Lord, what is Mr. Bittergourd doing? How will mithai handle all this? No. No matter how, please let mithai go home today. Else grandfather's grandson would fall ill. Actually, he is considering himself guilty for mithai's condition. Oh Lord, please help. Please help.
Come, mithai.
I'll wait here, Mithai. I'll take you to Grandpa today.